What's going on? I kind of rigged my camera on lunch break. I have 4 of these. The thickest ones in the pack from Target. See if there's anything in any of them. I cheated in trying to felt around for the thickest ones. And they were $3 per pack. Alright, so that one's a dud. Sorry if you can't read the names. I'm not a big NASCAR fan. I did go to the Daytona 500 in 2007. The one that had the crazy crash at the end. I was actually there. So you guys will probably know who these people are a lot better than me. This one's numbered 12 out of 199. So when I get home, I'll box that one up. Actually, if anybody watches this and they want this, I'm not a big collector, I'll send it to you. Let me know if you're interested, because otherwise it'll just stay boxed up. This is 8 out of 99. Alright, so today is Tuesday the 22nd. I'll make a contest. Tell me why you want any of those two, and I'll send them to you. Or any of these. Just make sure you subscribe if you're a NASCAR fan. And this is what piece of the tire? That's actually really cool. Do me a favor, and I hate to sound cheesy. Leave a message, write a note why you would want any of these, why you think you deserve it. And make sure you subscribe. I'm not going to be rude and like throw them to the side. But this one, if it's numbered, I think it's piece of the tire. Yeah, rubber relic, which is really cool. So if you want this one is 8 out of 99. And this one is 12 out of 199. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you want any of these 3, I'll send it to you. Write a message why you think you deserve it or why you would like it. Then I'll pick the best one and send it to you. Or if you want anything else, I'll send it to you. Alright, so I'm on lunch break. I got a couple minutes left. So I guess it works out too as a side note, if you feel around for the thicker packs and you don't mind playing your odds, you're gonna end up getting a good one. And I don't really know who that is. But yeah, let me know if you're interested. All right, thanks.